What's going on? This is Nee here with Live Oasis Realty Maintenance Licensed and Insured Angi Certified Pro 2025 Angi Super Service Award recipient. Today we are reviewing the Ryobi 3300 PSI, the 2.4 GPM gas pressure washer, model number RY80589, paired with a DeWalt 18-inch surface cleaner. This is not a store demo. This is based on real residential driveway jobs. If you are a homeowner or starting a pressure washing business, this review will save you money or confirm you made the right choice. Let's waste no time. Let's jump right into action. This unit runs a 212cc engine rated at 3300 psi and 2.4 gallons per minute. Now here's where we slow down and think. PSI sounds powerful, but GPM determines speed. Cleaning power is actually PSI times GPM. So 3300 times 2.4, that's 7,920 cleaning units. So that's solid for residential work. Commercial units typically run 4 GPM or higher. That's 12,000 plus cleaning units. So right away, this tells you the category: serious residential, light commercial, not industrial. So this unit has a 0.95 gallon fuel tank. Ryobi advertises longer run time, and in residential driveway applications, that's accurate. You can typically finish a standard driveway without refueling. Startup reliability has been consistent. The recoil start feels solid. Cold starts require proper choke procedure. Warm restarts are quick. For $399, you're getting a functional gas engine platform that performs reliably if maintained properly. Like any small engine, longevity comes down to oil changes, clean fuel, pump maintenance, not letting it sit with water in the system. Most units in this price range use axial cam pumps. That means they are compact, they are affordable, but they are not rebuildable like commercial triplex pumps. So understand this. This is not lifetime commercial equipment. It's a high performance residential tool. For someone doing 1 to 3 driveways per week, this makes sense. For someone doing 10 plus commercial jobs weekly, you will outgrow this. Now let's talk about the DeWalt 18-inch surface cleaner attachment. An 18-inch surface cleaner requires adequate flow rate. At 2.4 GPM, this pairing actually works well. It doesn't feel underpowered, it doesn't stall the spinner, cleaning passes are consistent. A surface cleaner distributes pressure evenly through rotating jets. Instead of striping concrete with a wand, you create uniform coverage. That reduces operator fatigue and increases efficiency. This setup shines on residential driveways, sidewalks, patio slabs, paint prep, fence washing, light mold and algae removal. It is ideal for lawn care companies adding pressure washing as a service. Now let's be realistic. If you are tackling heavy oil saturation, large commercial parking lots, industrial cleaning, you will want a 4 GPM minimum. Flow rate increases productivity drastically. This unit will get a job done. It just won't get it done as fast as a commercial equipment. So at $399, this unit sits in a strong value category. You are getting 3300 PSI, 2.4 GPM, 212cc engine, almost 1 gallon fuel tank, hose reel, extended reach nozzle. For the price, it delivers solid performance. But remember, it's a value engine platform. Maintain it properly. So here's my verdict. For residential contractors and serious homeowners, the Ryobi 3300 PSI 2.4 GPM gas pressure washer is a strong entry-level professional setup, especially when paired with an 18-inch surface cleaner. Understand its category, operate within its limit, maintain it properly, and it will perform. This is Nee with Live Oasis Realty Maintenance LLC, Real Work, Structured Systems, Professional Execution. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe for more.